Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. John Bull Imade dey vex, e no dey happy. He say in dey do live video, dey beg Uronigbe people wey dey for abroad for money to take buy street light for Uronigbe. While some people wey join am dey for Uronigbe there, dey sell land for 6 million naira, dey share the money. Make I leave you now, make you hear from John Bull Imade.
We are fighting how we can get street light in Uronigbe. Iduneka or Caliban, they join hands together and sold a land for 6 million naira Gagoni. That money was shared today in Iduneka. Now, 6 million Uronigbe. I become a beggar on social media, begging my people to donate street light for me. Please share this video and God bless you all. It's a vital information from Uronigbe community. Please invite your friends and share this video. Share this video, share this video, share this video. God bless you as you share. Let this video get to everybody all over the world as far as you are Uronigbe citizen. And God bless you. Please share this video and let this video get to all Uronigbe citizens all over the world. It's very, very important. My brother Nosa, I cite you. God bless you. And may the Spirit of God be with you, Nosa. Share this video. Evil must stop in Uronigbe community. The evil doers and the bad people as far as Uronigbe community is concerned, they will disgrace here, we don't disgrace here, Papa. Thank you very much and God bless you all. It's a message from Uronigbe community. As you all know, this is your lovely brother John Bull Imade Asaboro. I remain your loyal boy, the tank crier of Uronigbe community. My brother Jeffrey, God bless you. I cite you. Please listen carefully. There is problem in Uronigbe community. Ma we man oro wa we ma we man e ma so no rewebo no be 20 years in e yan we kekese. E wo no man oro be ni meje meti e bono. There are fucking people in Europe country, America, because why? That is exactly what they are looking for. Because why? A spirit area, a sagyon area, or guyan. I keep on telling people, even though you are in America, America will never change the blood of your father. Hey, John Bull Imade, Igiakwa, Igiakbe, Igiae, you don't need to know, man. Jeffrey, I cite you. God bless you. Thank you for watching this video. I repeat, even though you are in America, the blood of your father will never change from your blood. America will not change John Bull Imade. Even though when I'm a citizen in America and the character of my father is not good at home, definitely I will not continue with the blood of America. The blood of my father Asaboro will still work. Evil or bivo, emi no ma or bi emi no ma, emi dan or bi emi dan. Wa ikoka oka wa abe mie. Wa abe kemi dan emi dan wa abe mie. Uronigbe community, our brother in abroad, both some at home, they have become a betrayer because of their father blood. Isagin or Regbeyan or Beguyan, because they will never change. Nimena so when I done Uronigbe yi, who are women in Memiwa. when I be shouting every day where wagima dole we maji ime mi ni miewo igo me iya dem bi ni ya go wagona igo mi me nwina ime honzo benu wa be honzo. I stress myself. I walk. Iye nuisance. Ire street. I'm not a street man. I walk. Ime nwina. Ime bo wa yuro nigbe. Beni iwe mu ro nigbe se. Igbe foundation. Ina bo wa. Ina bo yuro nigbe. Because why? It's my community. Me kenana do to vedu. I can go to Saple. I can go to everywhere. Omo no where mo everywhere or where mo eh. No matter where mo eh everywhere mo eh. Na ye where can be bo wa ironigbe every boyo. We are dragging that we should donate money for street light. While some people are selling building, selling our property in Ironigbe community. If you not buy it here. A Jeffrey no see man, Don Jeffrey. Is that fair? No, sir. Is that fair? We are donating money to buy street lights in our community. Why people are selling land for 6 million? Imo homa, eminu itai, numabeu ibetai. I have life to live. I have life to live. My brother Prince, God bless you. I cite you. Jeffrey, no, my brother, God bless you. We are fighting when I donate a street light. Me wa de do gwan kan mun street light ni o wa mudia wa ga video now. I want to tell you people when a street light ya la ro ni gbe e be na e yo ni time wa. Ko wa no donate go America no donate in London o wa wa ro wa gbe wa any problem they don't go wa gwan. We are all fighting the same just cause, good and fine, but any you born yawa be you anything, because make ya go west someone woman have a someone woman have a regard man. I Job Imade will not still regard you. Okay, other guy, this is my security shocker and my light be sing winner. That guy, Ime winner as a security. I walk, it's flat. Ime winner as one ring winner. Thank you, my brother Nusa. It's so very bad. We are fighting how we can get street light in Ironigbe. Idweka or Caliban. They join hands together and sold a land for 6 million. That money was shared today in Idweka. Now, 6 million Ironigbe. I become a beggar on social media, begging my people to donate street light for me. Ni buy you talk, nupa make anaba. Jeffrey, for you to know say na their papa blood na dey with them. Iyan owa North America, ne man oro, because iyan mana owa. Kenya keke no to Ironigbe. They supposed to write a petition to EFCC. $1 million Ironigbe. And well, let's go and arrest all those people. Can they do it? Because why? A sageruwa or a good one who war America. I'm telling you, don't fuck you. You don't give me food, I don't give you food, man. If you are bringing any money for me, I siphon your money. Involve me. Because a sageruwa or guwa. What mostly when work with the American raw, no man in our Ironigbe. A sagi everywhere because everywhere man a sagi everywhere a video now oh work be 8 hours. Why is there a video now? Oh where you were? Yeah, attend a work or now because why? Oh American wa yeni. Do wamana oh America. Oh man not swimming. And no where the street light yare you don't know. Umaye in the street light yare una ba unwe you way when I donate go on no street light la ro ni gbe we call we be congratulate wa when we western world I'm in America. Do you have that idea to even call who are those people who are the people doing these things? Urigome iri enwe you umeranu agbabe mu I will not call you to send me money. Any money you are sending for your community is for your development. When you video na no enegbe or we call him yes I'm in the right track. I am in the right track. You look me at based in the village, you based in America, you lost your wisdom. You that is living at OTT, my sister, God bless you. OTT bought street light for me. No see me men have a day. Ni meji go bove de iba o sagiag manger. O sagiag mo vidi dogun. Ogo mereba. OTT reba na is watching me. Ogo OTT reba. Wa ma we the street light yale wa ma congratulate on mu ere wa ma we tie me we thank you my son we see what you are doing. You want to invest street light in Ronigbe. Good and fine development in Magwalo. That way wisdom we given who were America for many years. Do you congratulate on an street light here? Whoever TDA4 where this boy that is doing this thing, let's call him. Naka mewe my son Osalobo Odebawe Makia support you well. Or you have to go to platform because I don't feel one American wajeni wa one wa mo wa Ronigbe number 1 o weru wa magwo no wa wo regbe boy. Is it by having house in Lagos? Is it by having house in Benin? Look at your life. You are failed. Who fail in it? Because why? Uhura America. Ema when you work, uma congratulate money. Una swa cover well there. A glory man who were here. I just do like this. People have been telling me, well, let's watch. Sit down, look na dog picking name. Now, said then I go wagon. Because wera magwo ubo wa be bawa udo to Ronigbe nu be hotel ari Ronigbe ame kerie Uhura America. Look at your life. We know the good ones in America. We know the good people in America who have that wisdom, who have that capacity, who have that wisdom to talk to their people. Then we will listen to them. Because we are failing. Who is this small boy? The village boy no one. Let's supersede him. You will see how your end will look like. Because of $700, you people promise for we to blaspheme somebody's name. Onomara. You people started manipulating. Men, this is JB Asaboro. Umuno Salobwagie. Image, please. Let me low my blast my. Oh, Wameje now. I'm not in the hotel. I'm in my house. Why am you wagbona bia Ronigbe? Wana gbonfi. Nonsense. Wagam you wagbona ke no mose gbona bia ware. Wa mi eru wa ke no tobowa. Iju wa ke no tobowa. 6 million akebe na wa gun akani. Ebi no ma sunne e ba ni walala dia. Wara America kega de a street light in my po donate go yibe dia wa maka wa support him wa be support him me ko yo Salobo Odebawa what your no so question how are you going to answer that question? You cannot answer the question because why a wisdom in egbewe you want to make name emi no ma so ne why ya make any here we will destroy you with social media. We have started it already on a nima we ya glory where eni otiti otiti no dey street light go be too ogoro ona mo adiri dogun eni otiti we ya grow eni ejebi asabo no sun ene o we ya grow you will not grow Osalobo ekwe Salobo na ejo wari glory me back to sender no wari glory me una rio abe mi o no rio we if you have done my document to America or tell me nyaga kwa wa emera fonta o wa emeka kabo me egba sabo egbe na ma una know the story now uroni ko wa ro America o ko wa ro wa ne ra favor ma hon e ne ra wa me go ko to ade ma hon e no yo bi ogo la America ma we ngwa you say ne ra be du go mu uroni gbe o ke la America ma we ewe ne ra yi uroni gbe ma na me we sagi ra ni o ki be gbewe ma we ewe de o ya fe nu wa o ke pa ana me wa gbo mari ma we America ma we ewe wa wena be suru ye niwe agiewe so wa o wera amwe video dai aka magmo we renuje o ma be se ba be we are not afraid. We are not afraid of anybody because definitely why you way e ma no swim roto bari go gumeni me swim street light me bari yo we are there light we roni be no wana we move guy ne move guy agwa le kenan na we e rodi na ya be street light le lupo o ma dey you fail totally o wa fail e kenan na we be na e ma no swim a street light now started a hotel already seen. I want to tell you today I will not mention the person name. My brother Jeffrey, you listen, no sir, listen carefully. ATM hotel already seen, and I know me where JB. We have been seeing your good work. I'm here from America. My junior brother is here from America. My wife is here from America. My in-law is here from America. We are 4 in number here with you right now. This is Ronigbe Hotel. We have been seeing your good work. Jombu, Asaboro, Abiyahu, another way meno. Owe, what do you want us to do for you? Otiti you down here, be the street light ya la Ronigbe. Abe we no man. No, never summer where who be that small boy. You think say if you call me, say my brother Alpha, congratulations, we want to support you. You think say me and you go get crash? We no go fit get crash. Congratulations in we matter. When me on we come away congratulations. Even though you bring 100 street light to Ronigbe, nobody will honor your street light. Nobody will honor your generation. See say if I not small, we ma honor you. We want to bypass you and I will away. It will not work. I went to this cinema day hotel. Say, what do you want us to do for you? You have been trying this our community. You have been doing things. Ni mari go no Baba, no, I don't want money from you. I will not mention the man name. He came from America and he visited the Ronigbe community. Ona tema re hotel ADC. Awi ni go gwaloni ri go no But if I cannot pay you in naira, I will pay you in dollars. Nonsense. Wow, one agbonfine. Wa agbola onu wa ya climb. Agbonfi we no ba o mo wa Ronigbe. O we ra o ma go onu de gbe boy. Emi no pa ma a family wa. Opportunity in America, opportunity again because your father was a bad character in Ronigbe, opportunity to rule us again. E sageru wa no mama okewu e o wa mu America. Nonsense. My man in mawo, e man in mani be call him up. Come in my way, e agu ware nu wa ye ni. E man in mawo bi Ronigbe no man America bo. E a be ti ma, e a we, ma ni ya je ni. Those are old school people. You your money. You marry me now. I will no mama. And can I pay you in dollars or naira for your good job in Ronigbe? You know, no, daddy. And what do you want? Now I need street light. I need street light. Or where are you going to put it in your house? Now no, sir. I want to put it in the tar road. Excuse me, let me get water for myself. No, sir, you. Why we go? Why do you just nonsense? Oh, did you have man? Somebody power. God bless you, Titi, my sister. Yes. When I feel street light in way, that one view you. Why are you viewing? Now we only view you go. Ukpara bo me, Ronigbe na bo me. Aso are Ibieka mo we figman. Jeffrey, listen yo. Always that or now yes sir. Always don't worry, you will hear from me. He now ask me how much in one street light. I told him 120,000. Or I'm going to give you 4 street lights. 120,000 times 4. That is 480,000 for 4 street lights. Before OTT, she's watching me here. OTT Wonder. OTT, if you are hearing me, please say yes. Before I now contact OTT, OTT now connected me to London. Our loving brother in London. I have not remember his name. I will remember very soon. Yes, Comrade Lantin Oriahim in London. That yawe muyewiyan iya donate go yawe. Baba eni go. A work by is 50,000. Na we matter. Na baba Wesley. Ebe do ya so aso. Oteme no man America gele mu go gunme. Oya ri go gunme give me 605,000. That is OTT, thank you. I see you. That 605,000 now give me 10 street lights. Nonsense. From America, on have you 10 street lights gunme. Or maybe say wiki. On have go say 100,000 gunme again. Now we dey not to 3 weeks ago, he called me. Somebody brought another 10 street light in Okaliba. Orion Bora Vietnere. Agbon Ama we was Agbon. Am I anywhere? When I get exposed anywhere, we are Okaliba. He brought 10 street light for me. When my friend go and mount it in Okaliba for me. Why you get ba bane? One area platform. One agbene mi no waya agbene. When I donate $100. Nwa mo street light re. Osalo bo wa gian wa donate ni wa good and fine. But ni megui na wa bet your no so street light na. Ya tell what am egbe. Wa when it's your bonu wa. Wa call him man. You called me? Do you call me? Do you congratulate me? Did you ask me who do this? Did you come to my platform and say, my son, I love you so much. God bless you. We have seen your good work. We are going to support you. Whatever. And when I am this way because we walk me right up in him. You are a fool. Who work rave. America, Emi Jami just America will know. Or we can say, I will make sure your name. You know the story. Oku Emi Yafe Maruwe, I'm coming for you. Nonsense. Una mwebe na dena agmebe. Ugbebe ma we dawe. You were not advertising my video and what you wrote. Why my picture man? Why my video man? Keke mi look man. When I donate $100 no wa good and fine. Not that my video man yo to siphon money from people. Emi no we ni otira wokun. Emi no we ni no mana kama me wo wi me uwe se. Ibe de oni e ga wo regbe fo begbe wa son e ga wo regbe fo begbe wa fa. Wa igbugbo ne ere ya ari ogo wa son ya ari ogo wa fa. Oni pe atama I will not mention your name. According to my lawyer. A lawyer me come am we don't mention people name. I be marry court. Ya to bobe so anywhere I can go to court and deny where we work when nini because you are a bastard. You have been in America for long. Owera Oriye. Emi jami don sumunda in America. Owero ronigbe e wa yo bi happy. Egbona e wo ya ewe. Egbona uje ruru nigbe. Kaba gobo mistakenly paying to America. I repeat, mistakenly paying to America. Look at your life. Emi wa uyebe wo America. Oman you see ne who are to bring it down with because a plan no wa plan it down no wa tell no wa ya me we ma we right on that day who wa ya hate me I know the whole of you. You understand my point? I'm not afraid of you people. You guys know me very well. You understand my point? We have been fighting since morning. Women Anyagai, because I told them not to sell our land. Why do you sell Uronigbe land for 6 million? You are there when I pay $100. Averuwa Egbowa Egbewe we know ya. Yes, when you were born. Yes, when you went to Amimi. But according to my lawyer, you can't survive in a way now. Or I retaliate video now. Una gwanka video now. Una call even. If I didn't know that, it don't care woman. You care who if you pay for. Whatever the kaya we me ya. Why be me do you know not do cool down now because me go my summer. You understand my point? Why when I will make a peace, Job Imade is ready for peace. Why where now what a lot here? When the meje, he may be tablet ile right from time. Why no when? Why need an amigo America? If you want to know about Job Imade, the more about me, go and ask comrades in an amigo Edegbe. I repeat, if you want to know more about Job Imade, say he not that boy not too gentle like that, but he dey take him mad, say they do something. Go and ask comrades in an amigo Edegbe. Then we tell Edegbe will tell you, say that boy, bí màá wá Edegbe, ilẹ̀ làwa. Na don Uronigbe yìí ọkìyàn wẹ̀ ìwà gbé. Because a sagiru wa ọgù wa. Ukpidun ga ema. Ukpididogun ema. Wama gwa kani. Oto orere na munu warora America nore garage. Almost 3 hectares na munu wa. Wama seba dole ye flag kaka wama bayo. A street light in the mess one. Waso aime. Wage mure. Mama na seba wefo. Why we mo ejebia saboro. If 600 or 5,000 can give us 10 street light, unori they cannot see duegbo. Ne hatred igbu no hate ne hatred igbu when oro when not otina when oro no America. Ni igbo fo gbu e. Eyan ya no America o. I know my people in America, I know the good one. Otirim otan sabo no ro. No go wa na gmo fiwe when of you come America now. Look at your life. Emi dance sumunda of America, to America 0-0. Oma managi wuyo wo wa, oma wewu. We know you very well. Nonsense man. You cannot call your junior brother with my brother. Congratulations, mami mi nu. Salobo Adebawe. Gevi ni makia wo. Makia tie ma na donate go, na support we. Or uwese ma biori ma were wo. Ne small boy any no so any no me hope. Uwe ogu wa mi no ma. Ime kama we not chance abo no ro. Wa igbegbo ne ere o ari ogo. Benu wa yari obo yebe yatai. We mi ni Uronigbe we mi no ma. Wa isofa ne ere ari ya do mi wa yi. Ere o aje nu wa bason. Wa koke dollar wa koke obun. Ebo aire ya ga ibona ya sama. Ya zaga po we. Luwe ebe no do ma e. Wo waye iwe kwale ku makia ina pa ina best body. Don't trespass this land. This land belong to Uronigbe more by the standard, the boundary adjustment. Mabe local government chairman Sylvester is still alive. Onima yebe say ina pa ina re river Ethiopia ina awe video ba e kan wo wa e kan ri ma ara ezo ene be say adokie ni ma. Where were you? Fulani Esme Laronigbe ina Soladia. Where were you? Did you congratulate me? Did you call me with my brother Uwese? And I'm here if you know my way somewhere. If I didn't want to see you well, because a Sageruwa or a Goa. Idweka or Kaligman, it can work it. We're not telling them we do a talking. It can work it if we do a almost talking about 6 million. What be a street light in America? Ebe barrel went to Ugwa maybe. We beg EFCC now near to arrest him. Me I am my EFCC where. What me petition? What over America now? Write a petition to EFCC. Call my number. If EFCC they come Uronigbe, may they call me. make I go dey show dem their house one by one. I no go carry something cover my face. I go come down for EFCC motor. I go say EFCC arrest this one. Na my brother wey dey America na dey write this petition come. I go hold one, EFCC go hold one. Let's stop corruption in our community. How are we going to stop it? Eruwa esaje dani no ya agberuwa wo wa esoke la America wa kin esaje ni yegbuwa re. We are complaining about the elders. Or what? Or what is it? Because why? We are going to live in Oma. Ekinoma do buane ibani wa na ladia. Amambia street light Uronigbe there. A councillor mawe, honorable mawe. Where were you? Abe honorable Uronigbe. Any of your lawyer who wara. No wageke we call him. My lawyer. Me am here fiangboa. Abe honorable Uronigbe. Me am here zero. A commissioner ni mamie bituga zero. A councillor ni mamie Uronigbe zero. Wamagwa kani. Emi no mabe sun ibani wana si un ladia. What wetin the councillor? What wetin the local government chairman? What wetin the senator? Wa mu me ibe mu. Egi opero na mu Uronigbe no for my gbe. Awe temeni ku. Awo Titi, a Jeffrey and my brother Nosa, Ian wa game na. I'm okay with this. Wa mo game imu no kabu kamu mebege ni. E ko bo ya mo ladia. Owo kaya ri egi wewo na po un regbe owo kaya so gwa pata owo kaya so gwa pata awa na po un regbe ege no ka bi dun emu me du wa ya mu na o wa ga bi vie yo bo America abu fi mo vie ma o ati e Maurice Koba benu wa fianya gbese. Nonsense. Akeno vone ni via bon sameli. Wa ri ba me. Iri enu wa. Dole wo weyi o ikan me. O wa me. E lati no. Idu we go mu ya boy. Abi ovego wa mu ka America re. Ni na zero. Ina ya dismeti. Oro a. O wa me every 24 hours. Imeru lati mo wa me 24 hours. O wa die bi ya o. Uwa die iye ka ku ya o. You are o. Era bi you dey gota o. Wa ri yen. That is not my business. My business is on development. If an man can call him where you na ujo bonu you have a best street light ni if video if be send them boy come where oko a street light no mure na kina o jare aberi mawa create yoto o wa ye lele ti now wa ma fi wori e wa se we bo wa fun me ni opa wa ye ni Uronigbe ya fun me at the end of the road I mean ro ma ogbo wa Uronigbe o wa governor Uronigbe ora America o wa commissioner Uronigbe ora America o wa commissioner o wa governor who do contest na vote no very mari wicked is Uronigbe Odaze from America. I don't say Jeffrey if you know Odaze. He's a security personnel in America. Ona adi Uronigbe owi ere House of Rep. Monaco yoy. Ono Odaze. Epanati Odaze. That is a wishing. God bless you. Wishing oil in the air. A wishing over Odaze, something like that. From me doing ona adi Uronigbe owi ere House of Rep. Ana do mu ebore. Ana vigo ya webo. Uronigbe. Uroni chukuchuku. Kino America, kino London. No man ro esagere yan we sagere yan gun yan. Yan no bypass o man. mostly no wa agbe be America no ni agbon fi oni ne mo wa right from there o ti ra me no agbon ka fi oni ne there or say dem dana so there America ya to go me ne mu jawo wa ma if you bring your trouble I will follow you up. You know the story now. If you don't even let you call my number and say you want to tell me anything, I've been made when Matthew since then. Who will give me a video now when you call him? Man. Fuck you. Women and one baby error. They to take work okay. They $100 we want if you okay. If you're don't bring your fucking money for me. Why okay $5,000 or $1,000 segume. Who do where? Who do we move your game? To bo wa kunwe nyahu. To boy you mwe wahala ni America bodo mao una ewu we ka wu ma uyu mwe area that say pay here 60,000 ina modigu ni the second and if you go ni you we cancel a man from America he and his wife they come to Ronigbe to become a senator or house of rep. You know what happened? If you don't gbera mi odasego, each person was given 60,000 by Weibo, but what does it? Not to betray EDG of Uronigbe. Didn't want me your Mabu one way. Ọmọ tẹmọta wà gbé wàá mi rẹ gbó wa yà bẹ wúyú wàrú. Emata ni ta Uronigbe arata irun de parabidi no mama no wa oni get emata oh many of my fans yeah how we get emata they no go get joy. They collected that money from Odaze not knowing where Odubu or we the governor yen ga je governor Odaze ga win house of rep Uronigbe o Odaze from America wa no wa call wa share video na no sake no Odaze ji be ma yak Odaze fa Uronigbe ma ni Uronigbe atamu waram no knowing where Odubu is going for governor. If Odaze go to house of rep Odubu will not achieve governorship because the governor will not come from Uronigbe at the same time governor house of rep of Uronigbe because why Urome Odubu Urome Oyetunyi Odubu na merge Uronigbe together Uronigbe yegi ti egbe yen when ni Uronigbe what does ni bun wulo never that's about Kilima no wulo ma we. Number 1 Jimogbo is dead. Jimogbo was the secretary that time. Orisabudu yari mu go na wu yen gwa gekmemi 40 years old man abi 70 years old man a secretary or a party dogbon ni ma yo to owu yen gwa gekme Jombu awon se do JB Orisabudu o ma vote ibi ro ni gbe afọ le lo dan se pa be mo na iya ma vote. They collected that money. Trust Odaze security in US. Igoni ya pay ya Uronigbe. They pay all the whole money. If you Uronigbe or see Odaze mana se ba se ke no di be na. Uronigbe give a hatred the 70 whole world 100% hatred. Wa you know hatred started in New York. Marry New York. Mama no give him my information. Ekenu we New York ni ma on o wa we New York ma on imuna no we muna ma on ekenu we US ma on e club nu yo ma on wa we na we wa be si wele ma we si ori ma le wa gbegbu e la dia ma be gbegbu e la dia because you can't do nothing. Your 500,000 will not work in Nigeria no more. Even your $1,000 you have no bullshit to do here. That was exactly how we betrayed our brother Odaze. He might lose the house of rep now. As I speak with you right now, Uronigbe community has no position because of our hatred, selfishness. Ma me Uronigbe no we ni ma ya ti amani. I bring it down. I'm gonna bring it down. As one not a guy. You see a video I posted this morning. Orima Ayama be doing what you want there if you know when you go along. If old man like that can think like that, when Oriwe Bomaseba think, you are in America, London, you cannot bring higher institution for us. You cannot write a letter to government house. 13 years in America, where you mean place a governor? Organization where except bag me letter to governor where Emini Magwalo. You are here to tell us, man, I will give you this, man. I will give you this, man. A man who was on a bio when a man or all. I'm not talking to all my brothers in America. But on retaliate video na akwe ke do so ni e ma wa. Cause owera mi wana o ma gbe no to le yeso yiwo. Owera be dele ne but your whether the America ba can anything. Whether the gbona. Your quarter now they have sold a land of 6 million without bringing 200,000 from that money when I am a street light. The mamagi from the street light whatever agenda ni ye. Do you people have that wisdom? Do you have that agenda for that development? Sorry for a while. Let them change the. It's like there is never good. Happy. Okay, off the gem. Thank God today there is never around. You know. So definitely, my brothers and sisters, I want to assure you people, we will keep on passing good information from our community, and we will never give a rule to any evil to our American or London. They want to remark banner, then not take away me. But we are America, we are here we were not because of hatred and selfishness. I was given an award by a dog women that hospital in California. How many Ronigbe forum no etime kenike so where a boy na wakimari mina na wagaride wa ewuro mo yi mana wo me nuri egume you are compensating me zebe se newu. Apart from this street light if you know you are Ronigbe citizen, say you don't call me one day say JB I dash you this 100,000 because of your good work. Mo yo to mana me ni we ba wo worry egume. When I do my papa burial, you support me, I know that one, good and fine. But ordinary day, say JB, take this 5,000, take the buy MB, you dey try for us. E no dey. Error. Kowenora America, Kowenora London, zero no. Error. Also, na mi nuni yago wagon, imari wasa, imo waigo. I don't hold nothing. I don't hold no fucking debt, man. How long are we going to be living like this? OTT esku oya dollar erukoke na. Aga Odelaga with the support of Ronigbe good citizen and some of his friends in Netherlands, Ireland. Whenever we Ronigbe, on a street light in Gima. Wama ewu uno mahi. Uno riohere. My brothers and sisters, God bless you all. I appreciate you people. Now say so I make it time of halfway because Okoma Efo Benya Yaki Utoni 6 million. Idweka or Caliban in Yaki Utoni. Hold. If I not do Tony, the cassava company, they are going to go to their father's place. Share this video I'm not getting the full name of the company, but all I know is a cassava company. Worry bono ati eh. Ugeti a cassava company, ugeti a gari company you are on your own. Ekedi men say we ya ike guy you to. Ya mwe mi ba. I guy ni gazo, ya mile, ya with flower, ya with different thing. Or a company ya do mu ba ni. A development, you know, but we're supposed to lease it out for them for 20 years or 30 years. So that if man of day, yeah, we do me running, we ya live after we man wulo ne, the generation we man a wipe ne. Any Nigerian ya wa lease to turn running benya. If you lease any land for anybody in my community for 50 years, it's only God that will see if I will see that 50 years, because I'm above 50. It's only God that know. If 50 years add to my years now, ekede kiaraye, merisa ba rede mi owo. If 50 years are the by years men now, ipa, boy 50 pologbe. When the meje me not me 14 or day, if I can see the next 40 years, by that time my children they have become a hero. The next 40 years or the by years even. Why this useless 70 old man for America? He still they look himself say he's still young. You don't want to talk truth for community. It's not by being American. Do you have the wisdom? Do you have the talent? If I'm not swimming, we might compensate here. We might come here and we say, we want to who have your street light here, we have your honor. But tomorrow, who may want? The best man will give me now. The best man will give me. That is not wisdom, my brother. Let's be sincere to each other. If I'm going to get my nano down a video now, here I won't even 1 year, man. So, when we have any, if you have a luwato tori, or when we have or America call you when I want best street lighting, what consult on here? Did you consult that person? You never consult him. He's living with you there because you don't know his name, and I will not tell you. You obviously that in hurry. You're so young, we go in a one. What am I working with the wagman? What can tell what am I be? One America. Do you tell that man no view street like I do where give me the market because you feel you can do it on your own? And American Uyeni, Ware company, why suffer a bought managere of a Lodu where of a meal, while gather euro. Ne what's of a gather or we are over gather when you gather all master. I will have pure way here, I will feel here. A company at the American Uyeni where supply Miami, why supply me they are very gary or a day. Oh, well, no, we don't like this. Oh, well, this is exactly what we want. We're not there by our plan a video. Thank you, my sister OTT. Second, in Ningwaya Udoni. The Magwe Ningwa go. No Fura go, so no go. Thank you very much. God bless you for watching this video. Share this video, let it go viral. God bless you. Please, warn your father, warn your mother, they should stop sharing Ronigbe money. Ego is for development, not for sharing. Thank you for watching this video and God bless you. Keep on loving you guys. Thank you very much. Please don't fail to share. Share. OTT, God bless you. My brother Nusa Osalobode Bawe. You understand my point? Thank you for following me. Share this video and let this video go viral to all Ronigbe citizens. Thank you for all you have done so far. My lovely sister, my godmother, I say to you, God bless you. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself. Happy day. Happy new month. Blessing will never leave you guys as you share this my video. God bless you. Thank you. Don't forget to click on the town crier of Ronigbe community. Thank you very much. God bless you all.
Now we don't hear from Jombul Imade. Let us know what you think for this matter. Go to comment section, make you put your own. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things when they happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.